How to change your username on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on CoinMarket in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this settings option down here below. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go to account settings, the first option, and now here you will find username. Click on it and change your username from here and click change username. As you can see, now it's changed easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.